The drugs and wastewater project started almost 2 years ago. What we've found from the project so far is quite different drug profiles in the different locations that we've been sampling. For example, Christchurch has quite high ecstasy or MDMA consumption. Auckland has particularly high cocaine, and Whangarei has lots of methamphetamine consumption. If we sample more sites, we can then look at joining the dots. At the moment we can't extrapolate between, say, Auckland and Hamilton because we just don't know whether they have the same profile of users. So actually taking samples from there will allow us to know exactly what's happening in those different cities in between. So for looking at drugs and wastewater, it's particularly useful for looking at trends over time, and we can look for correlations between other interventions, education programs and so on, just to inform whether these interventions have been useful. But it's part of a field called wastewater-based epidemiology, which can look at all sorts of other things in the wastewater related to human health. So these could be things such as food contaminants. We can look at human health biomarkers like heart disease. And these are the things that it's a relatively new field, but these are starting to be looked at overseas currently.